In this video, we're going to walk you through how to integrate Salesflare with Outlook and make the most of this powerful CRM tool. If you're looking to streamline your sales process, this integration can save you time and effort while ensuring you never miss a lead. Stay tuned because at the end of this video, I'll show you how to get access to Salesflare for free with exclusive bonuses. Salesflare is a CRM designed specifically for small and medium businesses, and it stands out because it automatically collects and organizes your customer data for you. Now, if you're using Outlook, integrating Salesflare can bring your email, calendar, and contacts into one streamlined workflow, making your day-to-day much smoother. First, let's dive into how to get this integration set up. The first thing you'll need to do is sign in to your Salesflare account. Once you're logged in, head over to the Settings tab, then find the Integrations section. You'll see several options here, but today we're focusing on Outlook. Click on the Outlook option, and you'll be prompted to connect your account. This process is simple and straightforward. Just sign in to your Microsoft account and allow Salesflare to access your calendar, contacts, and email. Once that's done, you're almost ready to go. It's that simple to integrate Salesflare with Outlook. Now, what can you expect once the integration is live? First off, all of your emails sent and received in Outlook will be automatically logged into Salesflare. You won't need to manually track these communications. Salesflare does it for you. This feature ensures that you have a full history of your interactions with each contact right at your fingertips. The integration also syncs your calendar with Salesflare, meaning any meetings or appointments you set up in Outlook will be reflected in Salesflare. This can save you a lot of time switching between apps and ensures your schedule is always up to date. No more double booking, no more missed opportunities. One of the most powerful features is the automatic contact syncing. Whenever you add a new contact or update an existing one in Outlook, Salesflare will automatically update that information, ensuring you always have the most accurate data. This is crucial for businesses that rely on detailed and up-to-date contact information. Now, let's talk about the follow-up feature. If you use Outlook to send emails, Salesflare allows you to schedule follow-ups right from within the platform. For example, after you send an email, Salesflare can remind you to follow up at a specific time. This is great for keeping your leads engaged and moving them through the sales funnel without losing track. To really make the most of this integration, I recommend taking a few minutes to explore Salesflare's full range of features. You can track open rates, click rates, and set reminders to follow up with leads based on how they interact with your emails. The deeper you dig into the tool, the more powerful it becomes. Before I wrap up, if you're new to Salesflare and haven't yet signed up, you can start using the software completely free from the first link below. And because you're watching this video, you'll get exclusive access to an extended free trial, so you can experience everything Salesflare has to offer without any commitment. To sum up, integrating Salesflare with Outlook is a game changer for managing your sales and customer relationships more efficiently. You'll have automatic email logging, contact syncing, calendar integration, and much more. It's designed to save you time and keep your sales pipeline organized. Be sure to check out the link in the description to get started with Salesflare for free, along with some exclusive bonuses. Thanks for watching.